Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Error Code RDK-10000, restart, connections and signal fix. Fix 1. Check your cable connections. Verify that all coaxial cables, the round cables with the pin in the middle, are screwed on tightly at the back of the TV box, the wall outlet, and your main modem/router. Then ensure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the TV box and your television. Fix 2. Power cycle your TV box. Unplug the power cord directly from the back of your Xfinity TV box or the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug the cable box back in and allow it several minutes to fully boot up and re-establish a connection. Fix 3. Restart your main modem/router. If your TV box connects through your home internet network or if you use an Xfinity gateway, unplug the modem from the power outlet. Then wait for at least a minute before plugging it back in, and then wait until the lights are stable before trying to use the TV box again. Fix 4. Perform a system refresh. You can force a system refresh through your smartphone using the Xfinity app. Log in, then navigate to the troubleshooting or TV section and select system refresh from there. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.